students, today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 12.2 Heron's formula, in which question number 7 says a kite is in the shape of a sphere with diagonals 32 centimeters. So in this we have a kite. This is the kite. These are the two diagonals. This is kite A, B, C, D. This is the kite. Diagonal is 32 and an isosceles triangle of base 18. There is an isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter is to be made of three different shades and side 6 centimeter. This means this is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Question is made of three different shades as shown in the figure. Different shades are this is 1, 2 and this is 3. How much paper of each shade is required in it? This is the shade number 1. This is second. This is third. So in this question there is a kite. Kite is like this and it is shape is sphere. This means this side, this side, this side, this side. They all are equal and we have diagonals. This is 32. This is also 32. These are the two diagonals. So for shade 1 and shade 2, shade 3, different color of paper is used. We are required to find the paper used for this, paper used for this and paper used for this. So for shade 1 we have diagonals. This is the diagonals. Diagonals AC is 32 centimeter. As we know, the diagonals of the sphere bisect at point O. So OA is equal to AC upon 2. OA is equal to 32 upon 2, which is 16. So this means this is 16. So area of triangle ABD is equals to 1.2 base into height. This is 1.2 base is, this diagonal is of 32. This is 32 centimeter. This diagonal complete 32. This is also complete 32 into height. Height is OA. OA is 16. So this cancel out. 16, 25. So 256 square centimeter is the area of this shape. As we know, area of triangle BCD is equals to area of triangle ABD. So the area of second shade, which is triangle BCD, is also equals to 256 centimeter square because these two triangles are congruent. For shade third, in third shade, the one side is 6 centimeter, second is also 6, third is 8. So first we find S. S is A plus B plus C upon 2. S is the semi-perimeter. 6 plus 8. This is 12 plus 8, 20. 20 upon 2 is 10. So S is 10. And area of triangle C, this is EF. CEF is S. Use formula S. S means A, S means B, S means C. Here S is 10. So 10. This is 10 means A is 6. 10 means B. 10 means C. This is 10. 4, 4, 2. This is outside 4. This is 2 into 5 into 2. Take 2 common out of square root. 8 under root 5 centimeter square is the area of third shade. So in this figure there is a kite of square shape. We use for upper part different color, for lower part different color, and for this is also different color. We are required to find the area of this paper, this paper, this paper separately. As we know, ABD and DCD are two similar triangles, geometrical triangles. So area of these two are equal. First we find this height. For this there is a diagonal of 32. So this is 32.2 16. This is the base 32. So its area is 256. After this second triangle area should be same. And for third shade we have a triangle of different size. So here we use Heron's formula. In question number 8, the statement is a floor design on the floor is made up by 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangles are, first side is 9 cm, second is 28 cm, third is 35 cm. This is the triangle. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of rupees 50 per centimeter square. So first we find the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C upon 2, 9 plus 28 plus 35.2. So 5, 13. 13 plus 2 is 22. This is 22, 2, 4, 7. 70 upon 2. This is the semi-perimeter, which is 36 centimeter. So in this the semi-perimeter is 36. So we are required to find area of, first we find one tile. Area of one tile is S means A, S means B, S means C. Here S is 36. S means A is 36 means 9. S means B is 36 means 28. 36 means 35. When we solve this, so this is 36, this is 36, 36 means 9 is 27, 36 means 8 is 8, this is 1. We write this is 36 and this is 9 into 3, this is 4 into 2. Square root of 36 is 6, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2, root 6. So this is 36 root 6 centimeter square is the area of one tile. For 16 tiles, area is 16 into 36 into root 6 centimeter square. 1696, there is 48, 576 root 6 centimeter square is the area. When we find the square root of 6, this is 224 point, this is 200, this is 4, this is 4, 44, 6, 70, this is 4, 2, 00, 48, this is 48, 5, 2.45. So 576 into 2.45 centimeter square. So cost of 1 centimeter square is 50 paise. 50 paise. When we convert into rupees, this is 50 more 100. This means 1.2 rupees. So cost of 576 into 2.45 centimeter square is 576 into 2.45 into half. So this 2, this is 8, 8. 288 into 2.45. When we multiply, this is 245, this is 40, 44, this is 14, 32, 35, 11, this is 16, 17, this is 5. So this is 0, 4 to 8, this is 10, 15, this is 10, this is 7. So 705.80. This is the cost of polishing these tiles. Thank you.